I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to stay on top of your Discover card transactions, enabling notifications is a great way to do it. Here I have to set it up step by step. Step 1. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, find the account settings or profile section in the menu. This is usually located in the upper right corner of the screen. Step 3. Select notification preferences. In account settings, look for notification preferences or alerts. Click on this option to access your notification settings. Step 4. Enable transaction notifications. Find the option for transaction notifications and toggle it on. You can usually choose to receive these notifications via email, text, or both. Quick gotcha, make sure your phone number is verified if you choose text notifications, or you won't receive them. Step 5. Save your changes. After enabling the notifications, don't forget to save your changes. Look for Save or Update button at the bottom of the page. Now you're all set to receive transaction notifications on your Discover card. This will help you keep track of your spending and catch any unauthorized transactions quickly. Happy banking!